With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is given, if an object moves towards a plane mirror with a speed v at an angle theta to the perpendicular to the mirror, find the relative velocity between the object and image. Now here we have to find the relative velocity between object and image. This is the object and this image. So firstly here we can see that mirror object velocity means here object velocity dv by dt is equal to image velocity minus du by dt, means the object velocity is equal to image velocity in a opposite direction. So here now take component here. This component will come. This is the u naught cos theta, and this component is v naught sin theta. This is a v naught cos theta and v naught sin theta, and this component is v cos theta, and here this is a v sin theta. Now here we know that this is a vi and here vi sin theta. So here we know that velocity is equal, so v naught is equal to vi is equal to v. So now here we can write object v naught velocity here. So v naught is equal to v cos theta I cap minus v sin theta j cap. This is the negative sign because it's a move on a downward direction. Now here image velocity we can write vi is equal to minus v cos theta I cap minus v sin theta j cap. This negative sign because it's a negative axis and it's a negative y-axis. Now here we can find a relative velocity. Here we have to find a relative velocity between object and the image. So here we find a relative velocity object with respect to image. So here minus object velocity of object minus image velocity. So we can write here this is a relative velocity object with respect to image, and this is a object velocity v cos theta I minus v sin theta j cap, and this is a minus image velocity. Minus image velocity is a minus v cos theta I cap minus v sin theta j cap. After calculating this velocity will come, this relative velocity will come 2v cos theta I cap, and now here take a magnitude of this. So v object with respect to I image, so here it is equal to 2v cos theta. So this is the solution. Now check the option. So that means third option is the right. This is relative velocity between object and image. This is solution to this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.